How to cast Android mobile phone screen to PC laptop. So here you can cast your Android device or Android phone screen to your PC using the Windows built-in wireless display. So for that, what you have to do is you have to open up settings in your Windows. For that, head towards the search icon and in the search bar, search for settings. Once you're on the settings, head towards your left-hand side and from this menu bar, click on System. Under System, you have to search for this option that says Projecting to this PC and click on it. Now you have to add wireless display features to project to this PC. For that, click on Optional Features and here you have to click on Add an optional feature, then click on View feature. And here from the available features, scroll down and now you have to add the wireless display. Select it and tap on or click on Next. And here click on Add. Wait until this feature get added into your Windows. Now once the feature is added, you have to change some Windows and Android devices can project to this PC to available everywhere. Now you have to keep your PC screen on and connect to the same Wi-Fi as your phone. After that, head towards your Android device, open up settings, tap on connected devices and then head towards cast. Now you have to enable wireless display. Tap on the three dot in the corner if needed. Then there you have to select your PC from the list and start mirroring. So this is one of the way to cast Android mobile phone screen to PC laptop. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.